friends. Hope you all are doing good. I'm Vyoma. Welcome to Vyoma's Readers Workshop. Now you're watching Vyoma Activity TV. Jenni Desmond, illustrated by Jenni Desmond. Red Cat and Blue Cat lived in the same house. Blue Cat stayed upstairs, Red Cat stayed downstairs. Whenever they saw each other, it was not good at all. Hiss, yow, scratch. But neither cat knew about the other's secret wish. Red Cat wished he were as smart as Blue Cat, and Blue Cat wanted to be fast and bouncy like Red Cat, so they fought and they hissed and they wished all day long. One day Blue Cat had a good idea. If I turn myself red, I will become fast and bouncy, he said. So he ate a crab, some cherries, a watermelon, strawberries, and rose petals. Guess who was spying on him the whole time? I will show Blue Cat who's smart, said Red Cat. He ate blueberries, bluebells, a blue fish, blue pudding, and certain cupcakes. It did not work, not at all. Blue Cat stayed blue, and Red Cat stayed red, and both cats were a bit sad and a bit angry. I will try something different, declared Blue Cat. Look at me. I am red, he said. Red Cat came up with his own plan. If I roll in this blue paint, I will become a blue cat, he said. Red Cat went to show Blue Cat his brand new self. I am blue too, said Red Cat. I am Red Cat, said Blue Cat. Grrr, hiss, stumble, tumble, wump. It had not worked, not at all. Are you trying to be like me? Asked Blue Cat. Maybe, said Red Cat, but I am too sticky. And I am too hard, Blue Cat admitted. Both cats helped each other become unred and not blue. Red Cat helped Blue Cat take off his red clothes. Blue Cat washed Red Cat's hard-to-clean paint spots. But they were not done yet, not even close. Tug, pull, rubber scrub. Here's what you need to do to be exactly like me, said Blue Cat. He showed Red Cat how to come up with smart ideas. Don't you want to be like me? Asked Red Cat. Well, maybe, said Blue Cat. Just a little bit. Boing, boing, boing. Follow me, said Red Cat. Red Cat showed Blue Cat how to run fast and jump high. Each works hard, very hard, to be exactly like the other. But something was not quite right. I think I like being Red Cat best, Red Cat admitted. I can't run as fast as you, said Blue Cat, but I am the best Blue Cat ever. They were still Blue Cat and Red Cat, but something had changed. Red Cat and Blue Cat were friends. They did all sorts of fast, bouncy, and clever things together. Then one day, meow meow, they spotted Yellow Cat. Meow 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 me meow. Can you sing us, Red Cat? Should we be yellow? Asked Blue Cat. Here we go again. Hello? If you like me reading more books, please click the subscribe button below and don't forget to click the like button.